An organization's data can be its most powerful asset. Today, more organizations are placing their data in the hands of data stewards to help them find ways to ensure their data is accessible, trustworthy, and safe. A tall order. So what can help? Introducing DIW, MDO's Data Intelligence Workbench, part of our Fuse Enterprise Data Platform. DIW is a complete data quality solution, offering an innovative approach to data quality and including collaborative stewardship and self-serve governance. It provides a framework to analyze and enrich data through intelligent algorithms. A self-service approach to define your own rules and workflows. DIW comes with line-of-business solutions for spare parts, assets, suppliers, and employees, including content and industry standards. And it can help data stewards implement policies and governance across systems and processes. DIW's Profiling and Analytics allows quick technical profiling of your datasets. It provides actionable intelligence on the quality of your data with easily configurable profile widgets. You can configure your own business rules for duplicates, completeness, validity, accuracy, and more. Data and business rules are grouped logically into schemas, which can manually be created or imported with predefined industry content for domains. Data integration allows you to extract and remediate data with leading systems and data sources. DIW offers different views for corrections based on the business rules and schemas. DIW also has an expandable AI model that can be trained indefinitely to provide accurate results. On top of this, DIW provides a collaboration platform where you can invite your colleagues or external stakeholders to help capture better data. It enables cross-functional data collaboration, an easy way to gain value. With easy onboarding and no disruption or changes to your current process, DIW is designed to make data stewardship easy.